Meaning of hydroplane.
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 Hydroplane. The term hydroplane is used to describe the condition of a vehicle, typically a boat or an aircraft, in which it steams over the surface of the water or air. Hydroplaning occurs when the vehicle's speed creates a wedge of water or air that lifts the vehicle off its wheels or hull, causing it to lose traction and control. This can be dangerous and result in accidents if not handled properly. To prevent hydroplaning, drivers and pilots should reduce their speed, avoid sudden turns or changes in direction, and maintain proper tire or wing pressure.